It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Last night I did a whole pantry overhaul and I took a bunch of footage, so you guys are going to see that here in a second, but I just wanted to share that Matt and I are on a journey into the new year, into 2021, doing a little diet, doing a little refresh, reset, cutting out the carbs, cutting out the sugar. It sounds like keto, but not quite because we're still doing fruit, so it's kind of paleo meets keto, if that even makes sense. I don't know. But I wanted to go through and get rid of the crap. First of all, I got rid of everything that was expired, and there was way more than I ever anticipated because I feel like I do a really good job of keeping this thing cleaned out, but there was a lot. And second of all, I wanted to get rid of just the junk, the stuff that we don't need to have the temptation lying around. And so I did, and I moved it along and passed it along to other people who are going to eat it. I didn't throw it away because I didn't want to waste food. So let's get into this and let's see what I did. Not my finest moment. I was trying to prevent throwing out too much stuff, and I had a bag of expired cornmeal that I put in the disposal. Little did I know.
Don't throw cornmeal down the sink.
So it clogged our sink, and it will not go down the disposal. How angry are you with me right now, Lanter?
It is what it is.
You're always the least angry with me when I think you're going to be the most angry with me, and you're the most angry with me when I think you're going to be the least angry with me. Why is that? I wreck the car, you're not upset with me.
As long as you're okay.
I sneeze too loud, you're mad at me. Voila! It feels so much better to be organized because when we want a snack, we know exactly where to go to get a snack that fits our diet. We're not gonna do that anymore. Let's talk about all of the things going on here, and if you hear a noisy little 3-year-old in the background, it's because she's playing in the other room. Let's talk about this space right here. So, I really kept things basically the way that they were. I just kind of zhuzhed it. I got rid of the expired. I got rid of the incredibly unhealthy. Did keep some unhealthy because it's called balance, people. Cheese! Can you tell everybody where we're at? What is this? What is it? Where are we?
Kenny.
We're at Kenny. You're Kenny. We're in the pantry. Say pantry.
Pantry.
Okay, let's show everybody what we did, okay? So, first off, right here is all of our breakfast stuff, and above it is our snacks. So we've got bars, seeds, nuts, crackers, and then if you go one up, you've got the only candy I really kept in the house.
What?
And then this is low carb cereal. So, and then if you go down one aisle, were we a grocery store? Shelf, this is granola, and then paleo and keto mixes, and then salad toppers, all in one area. This side right here, I feel like I'm on Price is Right. Same, pretty much same. And then down here we have some keto mixes that are cakes that I found at Target, and I was just really excited to try these. We haven't tried them yet. Our sweet potatoes. And then I took this basket and I filled it full of carb killer bars, which that's what a lot of these are. I haven't tried them yet. They actually just sent them to us in a PR box, but I put them out because it's like very, very fitting for what we're doing right now. And then all of Matt's beef jerky. So that's all this section right here. At the bottom There's nothing really to see down there. It's just waters. So let's move over here. I didn't have to touch the soups at all. They stay organized. I didn't really have to touch this area here. I did reorganize some of the packets here, and I think that I might switch this out. I actually ordered 2 new containers that are supposed to really organize these packets better, and I'm hoping that makes a difference. So this shelf right here is obviously second from the ground, and it's eye level with Ken, so I wanted to make sure that it was everything that she could grab and go, because she is at the age now where she comes in and helps herself to snacks, which is a little bit scary. But right here is everything that's snacky that I feel okay with her grabbing, like her teensy snacks or granola bar or whatever. This is a big thing of M&Ms. This is supposed to be a treat for her when she goes potty. She doesn't just grab those and eat those, whatever, thankfully. And we've got our animal crackers. But then if you go one over, this is still just a continuation of Ken's snacks. But over here we have all keto snacks or paleo snacks for Matt and I that they're just easy for us to grab, and we can just pick it up and go and not even think about it, about looking at a label or whatever, because we know if it's in this bin, it's okay to eat. So these 2 areas right here are eye level with us, so that's where I really wanted to focus when we walk in, that this is where we know we can get a snack. So this is all cheese snacks. They're from Bunker Hill. They sent those to us, and they're delicious. And then this is all keto-friendly dessert snacks. Dark chocolate or chocolates that have no sugar. They're using monk fruit or coconut sugar or whatever. A ton of these Quest cookies. Y'all, this cookie is amazing, and I was really surprised by it because I thought, it's got so much protein, it's gonna be nasty. I put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, and it's like a hot cookie a la mode if I could have ice cream, but I can't have ice cream. But this is just all of our snacks so that when we walk into the pantry, we turn, look, it's like, okay, this is what we can have. We don't even have to think about it. If it's there, we can grab it. These 2 up here are in the no-no zone. So these are the things that I didn't really want to get rid of necessarily. Well, it's really this side. I didn't want to get rid of necessarily because they're either brand new or staples, like Ritz crackers. Like if you get an upset stomach, it's nice to have crackers on hand. And then over here, these dark chocolate sea salt caramels, obviously they're not diet friendly, but I just bought them, so I didn't want to get rid of them. But over here is various walnuts, pecans, peanuts, sunflower seeds. So those are friendly to our diet. It's just the chocolates that are not. So it's all right here when we walk in. We know exactly. Grab that and go. This basket is my overflow basket. It's the basket that is anything that kind of doesn't fit anywhere else, or it's a duplicate of something else I already have. So like we've got our excess keto chocolate chip pancakes. We've got a bunch of pastas in here that I don't have room for, or something that I don't necessarily grab all the time, like manicotti. So that's that basket. And then if you go one row up, or one shelf up, I should say, this is not new. They've been here from the beginning of time. So what I did was I actually got rid of my white rice and replaced it with brown basmati rice, just because, you know, brown has more nutrients in it than the white rice. And I just passed that along to my mom. And then I actually got rid of some of the pasta that had been in there for so long because I have no idea how old it was. I was like, you know what, it's time to just start fresh. And I had so much new that I was like, okay, I'm just gonna pop that in there. So it feels good to know that this pasta in here is all fresh and new and ready to go. This one is coffee. Obviously, you get it, you know what it is. These 2 are the important ones that I want to talk about because these are the items that I really cleaned out because we're doing low carb, low sugar. So I got rid of the traditional traditional flour and sugar and moved them way up because I don't want to be even tempted to reach for them. So this is all coconut flour, coconut sugar, cassava, did I pronounce that right? I don't know. Swerve, erythritol, xylitol, monk fruit. It's all that kind of stuff so that when I do go to bake or need any of those ingredients, they're right here and I'm not, forget it, I'm just gonna grab the regular. I'm gonna have to work to find the regular, you know? These are all pretty self-explanatory. I just went through and really got rid of anything that was expired or stuff that we just shouldn't have. I have a ton of pasta left, but mixed in there with the regular pasta is the miracle noodles, which if you haven't tried these and you're trying to be low carb, this is a great option. I found them, I want to say at Publix. Yeah, Publix. But you can get them at Whole Foods, on Amazon, wherever. The this and that up here, that one's kind of misleading and confusing. It's really baking stuff. And then this one right here that's missing the thing, the label, it said soups, and I was like, why would I have soups here when I have it over there? Might have already said that to you guys. So I need to get a new label there because I put in there all of our baking stuff, like cupcake holders, stuff like that. Up here, we've got mostly chocolate chips, which if you remember, our pantry in LA, I had a basket just for chocolate chips. I had so many comments on that, but it's true, I have so many chocolate chips, and it's because I do a lot of the sugar-free stuff, so I want to have that option for when I'm baking. That's my pantry. I am so thrilled to have it refreshed and ready for the new year, ready to, you know, take off a couple pounds, get a little bit cleansed and healthier and all of those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and really more so it was a clean out, this pantry clean out. So it's time for y'all to get out. Bye guys.